got paid today. Gas up in my tank. Trust me when I say nothing's in my.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I'm just gonna hop straight into the video. So the first thing I'm gonna do is start off with freshly washed hair, and it's separated into 4 sections, but I'm gonna separate into 2 even sections. Okay, I'm gonna take this rat tail comb and I'm gonna try to make a part evenly down the middle of my head. Here I'm just adding castor oil to add some moisture and shine to my hair. Now I'm just going to add some Eco Styler gel to slick my hair down a bit. And I know everyone else has canceled Eco Styler gel, but I haven't yet, so I'm going to just use it until I find something to replace it with. And you just want to make sure you get your hair as smooth and as flat as possible. I just switched brushes just to get my hair a little more sleek, and I'm just going to put this section into a pony. Now you just want to braid your ponytail all the way down to the end and repeat. Now that we have both sections plaited up, it's time to work on those edges. And the edge control I'll be using today is the Edge Booster by Style Factory. What I'm seeing, I'm feeling kind of shy, girl, not to the stop right now, even if I wanna gotta get it, wanna stop right now. What I'm seeing, I'm feeling kind of shy, girl, not to the stop right now, even if I wanna gotta get it, wanna stop right now. Oh my God, what is this? Want you all in my business, baby, I insist. Please don't blame me for whatever happens next. No, I can't be responsible if I get you in trouble now. You just made me a trip, fall and land on your lap. Something bad boy smooth, body harder than a summer. I don't mean to be rude, but I swear my edges on my left side never turn out how I want it to. Comment below if you have a problem side, because mine is my left. Want you all in my business, baby, I insist. Just don't blame me for whatever happens then.
And the hair I'm going to be using for this hairstyle is the Organics Master Mix. You only really need one pack for this hairstyle. And the reason I got this cheap beauty supply store hair is because I didn't plan on having this hairstyle in for that long. So it really doesn't matter what hair you use. And since my plaits are so long, I just decided to fold it in half because I really didn't want knee-length ponytails because that would look ridiculous. So me folding it in half will make the bundle seem a little shorter than what it would be if I was to keep it full length. Okay, so to attach the weave to my plait, I'm just going to get some thread and I'm going to sew the end of the bundle to the end of my plait. Now it's time to start sewing up. I'm just going to raise the bundle a little bit and add more thread. That way it can begin to wrap around the plait. And I'm only going to sew it down every other time I wrap it around my plait.
You just made me a trip, fall and land on your lap. Something bad boy smooth, body harder than a summer. I don't mean to be rude, but I look so damn good on you.
Okay, so I'm finished with the hairstyle and this is the final look. It's not the best because I was rushing, but I feel like if I would have like blow dried my hair and used less gel, it would have knocked out of some. Well, I wouldn't have as many waves as I do and it would look better, but I think it's still cute. It's not gonna last long, so that's why I didn't mind getting like this cheap hair. But yeah, cute as fuck. I really like this hairstyle. I think it's a really cute summer hairstyle. Yeah, it was quick, it was easy. It only took me like an hour, but that's just because I move slow. So it might take you either longer if you move slower than me, or shorter if you move faster than me. So these are the lengths. Like I said, one was a 22 and one was a 20. This was the 22, this was the 20. But I just cut it to around the same like length. So yeah, it's really cute. I just feel like it looks all cute and girly, so it'll go like a lot of girly outfits. But yeah, so I'm excited to wear this, and I wonder how long it's gonna last. I feel like it's only gonna last a week, but we're gonna see. But if you follow my tutorial and it comes out cute, or if it don't, DM me a picture because I would love to see how it turned out for you. Okay, so that's the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I'll be back with more hair videos as soon as I think of something else to do. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.